Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video on Forsythias. If you're interested in growing trees and shrubs, then you really need to get your own copy of the Green Review Gardening book and read the chapter on trees and shrubs. It'll show you how to buy, plant, and maintain trees and shrubs. There's also chapters in here on lawns, vegetable gardening, house plants, and all the other plants that you have in your landscape. So if you're interested in growing plants, you really need to get your own copy of this book. And until the end of March 2023, if you use the discount code SPRINTER, there was a video on Sprinter a few weeks ago, you can use the discount code SPRINTER to get $30 off of the book. Go to greenreview.com and follow the links and then put in the discount code of SPRINTER when it's asked for. And now let's get on with the video. Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review. Today we're talking about Forsythias. Forsythias are a group of shrubs that are native to Asia and a few in Europe. They grow well in the southern part of the United States, and they are hardy to the Midwest and northern states, but the flower buds are often not hardy. So as you can see in this case, we have a few flowers down here at the bottom where there was a little bit of snow cover when we had some bitter cold temperatures that killed the rest of the flower buds. This plant is completely covered in flower buds all the way up through, and they're not alive right now. Forsythias are really not that great a plant for most landscapes. There's some smaller ones and some taller ones, but they really have no other great characteristics except for the bright yellow flowers in the spring. So for 1 or 2 weeks they're great. The rest of the time they're just kind of a green nondescript shrub that makes an okay hedge, something that would block the view somewhere, but they're really nothing spectacular to look at. In the summertime they have no real great fall color, so if you lose the flower buds, then why bother planting them? Now the University of Minnesota has produced a few hybrids that the flower buds are hardy. There's Northern Sun, Northern Gold, Meadowlark, and others, and other people have also done some hybridizing as well. So there are some varieties where the flower buds are hardy. So if you're in a northern area, definitely find out which plants are available to you and check to see if their flower buds are hardy, because there's really no great reason to plant them if you're not going to get the bright yellow flowers in the spring. And this has been Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.